So today we are going to see the factors that are influencing SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Okay, we have already seen SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. Okay, so there are various factors. उन factors की वजह से क्या होगा, कौन सा mechanism act होगा, whether SN1 mechanism is going to apply or whether SN2 mechanism is going to apply. Okay, so we'll see the very first factor. The very first factor is the nature of a substrate. Okay, very first factor is the nature of substrate. So what kind of a substrate which is attached, कौन सा substrate attached है, okay, उस particular compound को, so that will decide, and its nature, उस nature of the substrate which is a particular हम लोग part है, substrate means, okay, and that is attached to a particular compound. Okay, so a nature of substrate. So we have already seen SN2 mechanism. So a transition state of SN2 mechanism is a pentacoordinate. So I am going to draw SN2 mechanism, how it is a pentacoordinate structure. Okay, so आप लोग SN2 mechanisms में देखो. Okay, so in case of SN2 mechanism, what we have seen example of SN2 mechanism, methyl bromide. Okay, so this is an example of methyl bromide. ये देखो carbon. Okay, and this is hydrogen. This is a hydrogen. Okay, this is the another hydrogen. Okay, I hope you know this convention. This is a wedge formula. Okay, this is called as a wedge formula. Another, this is a hydrogen. Okay, and what will happen right now, okay, the OH, okay, OH will act over this. Okay, OH यहाँ पे act करेगा, and in this way we get a transition state. So what is the transition state of SN2 mechanism that we will draw? Okay, transition state, TS means the transition state, and here we will draw a transition state. So this is a carbon, okay, with the dashed line, this is Br, which minus charge, and here carbon, okay, which will be attached with the hydrogen, hydrogen के साथ attached है. Okay, okay, and here this will be attached with this bond. Okay, ये bond है. Okay, wedge formula, this is ये hydrogen attached है, and to this side this is the another wedge formula, this hydrogen is attached. Okay, and this is a डॉटेड लाइन से जो रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ, यस, पार्शियल बॉन्ड है. ओके, so this is the structure, actually you have already studied about it. Okay, so then in SN2 mechanism this is called as a transition state. Okay, so this is a methyl bromide, आप देख सकते हो CH3Br, it is a methyl bromide, it is reacting with hydroxide OH minus, and this is a transition state. So what is happening in a transition state, ये देखो यहाँ पे दिस इज अ पार्शियल बॉन्ड, ये देखो डॉटेड लाइन से जो दिखाई दे रहा है, दिस इज अ पार्शियल बॉन्ड. व्हाट इज दैट? Not a because in very first step what will happen, this bond will get detached. जो bromine है, this will get detached from the carbon, and right now this OH minus is going to attack over this carbon atom, which will be called as the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, in SN2 mechanism right now. So if you will observe this transition state, okay, of SN2 mechanism, okay, so what you will observe, the transition state of SN2 mechanism is having a penta coordinate. Okay, observe this, it is what, a penta coordinate. Why it is a penta coordinate? Okay, that also I will explain. Look at this carbon, कितने other groups attached है इसको, 1 2 3 4 5, that's why it is called as a penta coordinate. That's why it is called as a penta coordinate. And it is very crowded one. Why it is very crowded one? This is a transition state around this कार्बन, ये देखो कार्बन के सराउंडिंग में देखो कितने एटम्स, कितने डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स है, 5 डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस we are calling as it is very crowded one. Okay, it is, this is penta coordinate and it is crowded. Okay, as well as it is a crowded one. Okay, so that's why, and as a result this SN2 mechanism is favored in primary halide. Okay, so we write about SN2 mechanism which will be favored, okay, which will be favored mostly in, which will be favored in primary halide. Okay, look at this, प्राइमरी हलाइड। ओके, ये वाला जो है प्राइमरी हलाइड है। ओके, so this is a primary halide. Okay, so CH3Br which is a primary halide, CH3Br. okay, ये देखो प्राइमरी हलाइड, अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को तो ये देखो यहाँ पे लिखता हूं मैं CH3Br. so CH3Br is right now acting as a primary halide, and this SN2 mechanism is which is favored in primary halide. Okay, so and least favored in tertiary halide. Okay, तो ये फेवर्ड किस में है? प्राइमरी हलाइड में फेवर्ड है, और लिस्ट फेवर्ड किस में रहेगा? टर्टरी. ओके, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड अबाउट प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्टरी, ओके, हलाइड्स. ओके, so now if we talk about SN1 mechanism, so a planar carbocation intermediate, what is that? A planar carbocation intermediate. So this is SN2 part जो already हमने draw कर लिया है. Okay, so let us see intermediate. Okay, intermediate in case of SN1 mechanism. Okay, SN1 अगर mechanism की बात करें, so example क्या है SN1 mechanism का? When tert butyl, okay, when this tert butyl a bromide when reacts with the hydroxide ion. Okay, we have already seen this in SN1 mechanism. Okay, look for it. Okay, I am going to draw only a carbocation intermediate. Okay, so chalo, in SN1 mechanism I am going to draw a carbocation intermediate. Okay, carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate. Okay, so what we have seen in case of carbocation intermediate, this was C plus, okay, plus charge, because this electron has been taken away by the halide atom. Halide atom ने क्या किया? इसके जो बॉन्ड था, okay, which was a covalent bond, दोनों के दोनों पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वो लेके चला गया. अभी लेके चला गया तो इसका एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो गया, इसका एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो गया, कार्बन का मींस व्हाट? क्या चार्ज आएगा उसके ऊपर? प्लस चार्ज आएगा. एंड हियर the CH3 which is attached, ये देखो ऊपर में CH3 attached है, and at this location, okay, another CH3 which is attached, and this is a CH3. This is a which formula? Yes, have a look at this right now. Okay, in case of SN1 mechanism, okay, a planar carbocation intermediate. ये carbocation intermediate कैसा है? प्लेनर है, एक ही प्लेन में है. प्लेनर मीन्स which is present in a same plane, which is a planar, and it has no steric crowding. What is the meaning of that? It has no steric crowding. It has no steric crowding. Now what is the meaning of the steric crowding? So the number of groups which are attached to SN2 mechanisms में देखो 5 है, that's why it is called as a pentacoordinate. But right now in case of this SN1 mechanism at the carbocation intermediate, what you will observe, there is only 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 groups are attached. Okay, तीन ही group attached है, that's why there has no steric crowding as compared to SN2 mechanism. आप देख सकते हो. Okay, is it visible all of you? Okay, so have a look at this. In case of SN1 or carbocation intermediate planar, there is no steric crowding. Okay, there is no steric crowding, and bulky alkyl group can be easily accommodated. ये देखो आप CH3. What is that? This is a bulky alkyl group. So due to which the bulky alkyl group can be easily accommodated. यानी वो acquire कर सकता है easily. It can be easily accommodated. Okay, so a bulky alkyl group can be easily accommodated. In which case? In the case of SN1 mechanism. आप देख सकते हो CH3. Okay, so in this way, due to which, okay, so a bulky group can be easily accommodated in a planar carbocation. Okay, आप diagram देख सकते हो, and as a result SN1 mechanism is most favored. Okay, so that's why this will be most favored, this mechanism, this will be most favored in tertiary halide, in case of tertiary halide. Okay, tertiary halide. Okay, for your information, this was the example of tert butyl. Okay, tert butyl bromide, बराबर. इन tert butyl bromide का ये वाला एग्जांपल था. देखो टर्टरी है. ओके, TERT, दिस वाज अ प्रीफिक्स. ये इसलिए आता है बिकॉज दिस इज अ टर्टरी हलाइड. इट इज अ टर्टरी हलाइड. ओके, टर्टरी हलाइड विच इज, ये देखो कार्बन, ये CH3, ये CH3 यहाँ पे. ओके, ये CH3 यहाँ पे, और उसके साथ ब्रोमीन अटैच्ड है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ टर्ट ब्यूटीन मेथ 8 प्रोप ब्यूट, क्योंकि 4 कार्बन है इसलिए टर्ट, इसका नाम क्या है, टर्ट ब्यूटील bromide. Okay, tert butyl bromide. So that's why this is the compound. Okay, and it is having a tertiary halide. That's why the SN1 mechanism, it will be most favored in a tertiary halides. I hope you have understood what is happening in SN2 mechanism and SN1 mechanism. Okay, from the respective the last videos, as well as how this transition state for SN2 mechanism and how this carbocation intermediate state, okay, carbocation intermediate in SN1 mechanism, which is explaining, okay, the most favorable condition about the nature of substrate. Okay, nature of a substrate. So the formation of a planar carbocation intermediate result in relief from the steric crowding that is present in a tertiary halide substrate. So now we are going to see, okay, the structure. अभी इस structure में अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will look for a steric crowding. We will look for a steric crowding for these two structures. Okay, इन दोनों structure के लिए हम लोग अभी देखेंगे steric crowding, how we are obtaining a steric crowding in case of SN2 mechanism. Okay, so whether this is in increasing order, whether it is in a decreasing order, let us have a look at this. Okay, so इसको मिटा देते हैं. Yes. So have a look at this right now. Okay, very first is the SN2 mechanism हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे. ये देखो कार्बन, बराबर है. This is a carbon and this is the X. What is this X will is stands for? बताओ. Yes, anyone? What this X stands for? बताओ. Speak out. Yes. What is this X stands for? Yes, this X stands for what? This X is nothing but the halide atom. Okay, the halide atom which is attached. Okay, as well as this is the hydrogen. Okay, and this is, yes, minus charge. Okay, so here minus charge, okay, and this is the hydrogen. Okay, this is the hydrogen which is attached over here. Okay, and this is the another hydrogen which is attached over here. Okay, now you look at this. Okay, we have observed the crowding condition. What is the meaning of crowding condition? Now we will attach more alkyl groups. हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे alkyl group add करने वाले हैं. And how we are going to add alkyl group? Okay, CH3, 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 CH3 we will add. Okay, this is X is the halide atom. Right now it is detaching from the carbon. And here this is a nucleophilic. Okay, substitution. Okay, it is a nucleophile which is going to attack over this carbon and which is going to attach. ये attach होने वाला है और ये remove होने वाला है अभी. Okay, that's why it is shown with the dotted line. इसीलिए उसको dotted line से represent किया हुआ है. Okay, and now this carbon. Okay, this carbon will show this X will show this nucleophilic. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा. So there will be one carbon atom will be attached and along with the, yes, 3 hydrogen atoms. 3 hydrogen atoms. Look at this. Okay, so instead of one H, now what it will replace this CH3. Okay, so this is called as a crowding right now. Okay, it is called as a steric crowding. Okay, it is called as a steric crowding. So this is the first step of a steric crowding. Okay, this is the first step of a steric crowding. तो क्या हो सकता है? Okay, चलो हम लोग ड्रॉ करते हैं. Okay, ये हाइड्रोजन है and this is another hydrogen. Okay, so चार्ज भी आप निकाल सकते हो कि half minus charge and half minus charge. Now second case क्या possibility होती है? Second case में क्या possibility हो सकती है? This is a carbon and this is a nucleophile. Okay, this is a carbon. हाइड्रोजन है, हाइड्रोजन है. हाइड्रोजन है, ओके राइट। व्हाट विल बी द कंडीशन, यहाँ पे अभी क्या होता है, कार्बन अटैच हो गया और उसके साथ अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच हो गया, अल्किल अटैच हो गया, एंड दिस इज द हाइड्रोजन, दिस इज द हाइड्रोजन, ओके। सो इन दिस वे व्हाट हैपेंड, एक अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच हो गया, दूसरा ग्रुप अटैच हो गया। Yes, in the third case, last case, carbon, this is the nucleophile, this is steric carbon, hydrogen, 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 okay. So this is a CH3, okay, CH3, and right now at the last hydrogen, ये जो है इसमें भी क्या हो रहा है right now, there will be CH3 will be added, means what, addition of CH3, addition of CH3 is nothing but is a crowding by this alkyl group क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे attach हो रहा है. So you what you're observing here, already it was a penta coordinate, उस penta coordinate में भी क्या हो रहा है, alkyl group attached हुआ है. Already it is a penta coordinate. We know this SN2 mechanism which is having penta coordinate. बराबर है, penta coordinate transition state. Okay, so this is about SN2 mechanism की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay, so this is SN2 mechanism which is having right now penta coordinate. Penta coordinate structure, and penta coordinate में भी क्या हो गया, attach हो गया, क्या attach हो गया, more number of alkyl, okay, groups have been attached over here. Okay, and that is why a crowding, okay, more crowding will be there, okay, more crowding will be there, okay, more crowding will be there, and destabilization, what happens to this destabilization, that will increase, okay, stability नहीं बढ़ रही है, destabilization increase हो रहा है, it is not going to stable, it is going to destable, okay, that's why we will write it as a destabilization, destabilization, ओके, ये दोनों भी पैरामीटर क्या हो रहे हैं, ओके, कहीं एज वेल एज डिस्टेबलाइजेशन, ये दोनों भी क्या हो रहे हैं, इंक्रीजेस, दे आर इंक्रीजिंग इन दिस SN2 मैकेनिज्म, ओके, इन दिस SN2 मैकेनिज्म. नाउ हाउ अबाउट द SN1 का, SN1 के लिए देखते हैं, SN1 के लिए क्या है, दिस इज अ कार्बन, ओके, कार्बोकैटायन व्हिच इज अटैच्ड विद दिस, ये हाइड्रोजन के साथ अटैच्ड है, और ये देखो एक हाइड्रोजन के साथ अटैच्ड है, एंड दिस इज द अनदर हाइड्रोजन. नाउ व्हाट कैन बी द पॉसिबिलिटीज इन दिस केस, what can be the possibilities in this case, चलो ये कार्बन है, कार्बोकैटायन, okay, so right now which is attached with this alkyl group, ये alkyl group यहाँ पे attached हो गया, okay, and this remains as it is, this remains as it is, this remains as it is, and that's why this is called as alpha hydrogen, this is called as a alpha hydrogen which is attached over here, okay, और यहाँ पे देखो ये हाइड्रोजन. So this is the very first step. क्या हुआ, ऊपर वाला जो हाइड्रोजन है वहां पे CH3 अटैच हो गया. दूसरे वाले स्टेप में क्या हो सकता है, ये जो नीचे वाला है हाइड्रोजन उसमें अटैच होगा, ओके, सेम थिंग जो हमने ऊपर में किया, ओके. सो रिपीट द सेम प्रोसीजर, ओके, दिस इज अ प्लस चार्ज कार्बोकैटायन, ओके, राइट नाउ CH3, ओके, एक हाइड्रोजन, दूसरा हाइड्रोजन, तीसरा हाइड्रोजन, एंड दिस विल बी the hydrogen. So this is also called as alpha hydrogen. Okay, this is also called, ये तो alpha hydrogen है पहला, ये भी दूसरा alpha hydrogen. Okay, and in last case, okay, this is a carbon. Okay, so CH3, this is the plus, this is carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, and here also what will happen? Here also, yes, carbon उसके साथ hydrogen, hydrogen. But look at this right now. Okay, look at this right now. If you will observe this, okay, if you will observe this, what you will see, there is a steric relief, there is a steric relief, there is a steric relief, and a stabilization. Okay, now what is that stabilization? Stabilization will be there. Okay, stabilization by plus I effect. What is that plus I effect? So that plus I effect is called as a, yes, involved classification, as per involved classification. Okay, whenever alkyl group has been regarded as a, yes, sigma electron donor substituent, okay, and that is called as plus I effect, okay, and the carbocation intermediate is stabilized by plus I effect, okay, plus I effect of alkyl substituent. All these are what, alkyl substituent, these are all are what, alkyl substituent, okay, and also by hyperjunction of alkyl substituents which are containing alpha hydrogen. देखो hyperjunction of alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. So in this way, as a result, SN1 mechanism is most favored in tertiary halides. आप देख सकते हो, this SN1 mechanism we have already studied that it is more favored in tertiary halides. Tertiary halides में ये mostly favored है and least favored in primary halides. So this is we can say stabilization, or we can say in case of SN2 mechanism, more crowding is there and destabilization increases. But in case of the SN1 mechanism, okay, stabilization it is increases. Stability क्या हो रही है? Increase हो रही है. The stability is going to increase. Okay, so this is about the nature of substrate. Okay, this is about the nature of the substrate. Okay, this is about the nature of the substrate. Okay, so So if we draw a curve like this, okay, this will represent for SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism is mostly favored in tertiary halides. Okay, so SN1 rate which is increases. Okay, it increases. सबसे ज़्यादा ये कहाँ पे रहेगा? SN1 rate. This will be more in case of tertiary. These 3 degrees. What is 3 degrees will represent? That is tertiary. This is secondary and this is primary. What is that? It is CH3X. What is that? CH3X will represent. Okay, this represent alkyl halide. Okay, it is what? Alkyl halide. CH3X. Okay, and SN1 is most favored in a tertiary, and in the same way, this is SN2, which rate is increases towards left side. Its rate is increases towards left side, which means the SN2 is most favored in a primary. So SN2 left side में arrow increases means it will be more favored in primary, but in SN1 as the rate increases to the right side, it will be more favored in a tertiary. Okay, it will be more favored in a tertiary halides. Okay, so this is a alkyl halide बोल सकते हैं. Okay, this is the alkyl halide. So in this way, this is the very first called as a nature of a substrate. Okay, this is called as a nature of a substrate. Okay, so look at the problem number 10.4. Look at the problem number 10.4. Problem number 10.4. Okay, so problem number 10.4. The primary allylic and primary benzylic halide. What is that? Primary allylic and primary benzylic halide दिया हुआ यहाँ पे. Okay, we'll draw the diagram. Okay, primary allylic and primary benzylic halides show higher reactivity by SN1 mechanism than other primary alkyl halide. Okay, so they ask us to explain what is the reason. Okay, we'll draw the diagram. So SN1 reaction involves a formation of carbocation. We know that SN1 mechanism में क्या होता है? There is a formation of carbocation. We already seen this. Okay, carbocation. C plus, बराबर C plus is called as a carbocation. Actually, it is a carbonium ion बोला जाता है उसको. Okay, instead of carbocation, it can be also previously was called as a carbonium ion. Okay, now it is called as a carbocation. Carbon में plus it is called as a carbocation. So SN1 mechanism involves a formation of carbocation intermediate and allylic and benzylic carbocation intermediate formed are resonance stabilized, and hence SN1 mechanism is most favored. So let us see the example of allylic carbocation. Okay, allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocation का example देखते हैं सबसे पहले. So this is a CH2 double bond CH, and this is a CH2. Okay, so here look at this right now. What will happen if this bond is, this is right now having a C plus charge, because this allylic carbocation, ये देखो कार्बन के ऊपर प्लस चार्ज है. Okay, this is why that is why it is called as a allylic carbocation. It is having a plus charge over this carbon atom. Okay, carbocation, carbonium ion तभी हम लोग बोलते हैं उसको जब उसके ऊपर charge रहता है plus charge specially. Okay, so this is right now a allylic carbocation. Now what will happen? This double bond is shifting towards this side. अभी डबल बॉन्ड यानी एक दो डबल बॉन्ड का में से एक बॉन्ड क्या हो रहा है? शिफ्ट हो रहा है. इधर शिफ्ट हो रहा है, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? दैट देयर विल बी द शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन एट दिस साइड. जब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो ये प्लस चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा? रिमूव हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड इन वे प्लस चार्ज विल गेट रिमूव. ओके, चलो. But what has happened? एक इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन उधर चला गया, एक इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन उधर चला गया. मींस व्हाट? इसके ऊपर क्या चार्ज आएगा? CH2 के ऊपर. इस CH2 के ऊपर अभी क्या आ जाएगा? प्लस चार्ज आ गया. बराबर, इसके ऊपर क्या आ गया? प्लस चार्ज आ गया. इन दिस वे ये देखो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड था, अभी क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे सिंगल बॉन्ड हो गया. ओके, CH2, and due to movement of this electron it will form a double bond here, CH2. आप देख सकते हो. Okay, so this is allylic carbocation. Okay, and here the resonance stabilization of allylic carbocation. This is called as a resonance. Okay, resonance stabilization. This is called as a resonance stabilization. So in a resonance stabilization, what has happened? Double bond जो था वो break हो गया. Okay, so have to remember the concept of resonance stabilization. double bond break हो गया, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर इधर चल गया. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, ओके, दिस इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर. ये देखो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पे चले गए तो क्या होगा? ओके, प्लस चार्ज रिमूव हो गया और दूसरा बॉन्ड यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो गया. ओके, सो इन दिस वे दिस इज resonance stabilization of allylic carbocation. Okay, let us see the another case. Okay, of benzylic carbocation. Benzylic carbocation का देखते हैं हम लोग क्या हो रहा है. तो in case of benzylic carbocation. Okay, so in case of benzylic carbocation, yes, this is a structure, okay, of the benzene. Yes, this is the benzylic carbocation. Yes, so right now CH2 plus आप देख सकते हो. Okay, here benzylic carbocation, यहाँ पे देखो प्लस चार्ज है यहाँ पे. Okay, now what will happen? This double bond आपको जो दिखा है यहाँ पे, this double bond, okay, will get shift to this. Okay, will shift, and when it will be shifting, what will happen here? Okay, so let's draw it. ड्रॉ करते हैं इसको हम लोग. यस, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड है. यस, दिस डबल बॉन्ड, ये देखो डबल बॉन्ड है, एक शिफ्ट हो गया उस साइड में. शिफ्ट होने के बाद ये क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा CH2 with the plus charge over here. यहाँ पे with the plus charge over here because इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया, इसलिए प्लस चार्ज ऊपर आ गया. ओके, इन दिस वे हमें दिस प्रोसेस दैट वी विल हैव टू डू. ओके, हमें क्या करना है? डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्ट करते जाना. ये देखो ये डबल बॉन्ड क्या हो गया? अभी यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट विल हैपन इन दिस केस? Yes, this is already double bond CH2, and yes, double bond यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गया, इसके ऊपर प्लस चार्ज आ. ओके, सो इन दिस वे आप देख सकते हो. यस, दिस इज नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर. व्हाट हैज हैपेंड हियर? जो डबल बॉन्ड है यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गया सेकंड इसमें, एंड इट हैज, ये यहाँ पे प्लस चार्ज आ गया. जो यहाँ पे प्लस चार्ज था ये यहाँ आ गया, डबल बॉन्ड ने ले लिया. नेक्स्ट, इन द नेक्स्ट केस, ओके, व्हाट कैन बी द पॉसिबिलिटी? ये जो डबल बॉन्ड है, okay, ये क्या हो जाएगा? शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो व्हेन इट विल गेट शिफ्टेड, व्हाट विल हैपन टू दिस स्ट्रक्चर? यस, ये डबल बॉन्ड किस साइड में आ जाएगा? इस साइड में आएगा डबल बॉन्ड. एट दिस साइड इट इज डबल बॉन्ड विद CH2. ओके, और ये देखो यहाँ पे जो प्लस है, ओके, एंड ये देखो यहाँ पे प्लस आ जाएगा. बराबर, यहाँ पे प्लस चार्ज आ गया. ओके, एंड दिस इज राइट नाउ डबल बॉन्ड. ओके, दिस इज राइट नाउ अ डबल बॉन्ड, प्लस चार्ज आ गया. इन अ सेकंड केस, राइट, व्हाट विल हैपन? ये जो डबल बॉन्ड दिखाई दे रहा है ये शिफ्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके, एंड इन दिस वे फाइनली इट इज फॉर्मिंग द स्ट्रक्चर. यस, 1 2. तो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. यस, दिस इज गोइंग टू शिफ्ट ओवर हियर. ओके, ये डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो रहा है. जैसे ये शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, यस, दिस विल बी डबल बॉन्ड एंड दिस इज अ CH2. दिस इज अ CH2. सो CH2 वंस अगेन डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्ट होने के कारण प्लस. सो इन दिस वे द SN1 reaction involves the formation of carbocation intermediate. आप देख सकते हो इन SN1 formation of carbocation takes place. Okay, and the allylic and benzylic carbocation intermediate formed are resonance stabilized, and hence SN1 mechanism will be favored. Okay, so that's why primary allylic and primary benzylic halide. This is a primary allylic halide and this is a primary benzylic. Okay, halide will show higher reactivity by SN1 mechanism than other alkyl halide. Okay, so this is the carbocation. There is a formation of carbocation which takes place in allylic carbocation, and this is a benzylic carbocation, and this is a resonance stabilization. This is called as a resonance stabilization. This is called as a resonance stabilization. Okay, this is called as a resonance stabilization. So we'll see about the other factors which are responsible, that are nucleophilicity, okay, and the solvent polarity. Okay, about these factors we'll see in the next lecture. Okay, so today what we have seen, what are the factors which influence? Okay, what are the factors which influence this mechanism, either SN1 mechanism or SN2 mechanisms. Okay, so in this way SN2 mechanisms which will be most favored in the primary halides, and this will be most favored in the tertiary halides. Okay, so this is called as a substrate. Okay, this is called as the nature of the substrate in SN1 and nature of substrate in SN2. So in the next lecture we are going to see the next topic, okay, which is nucleophilicity of the reagent. Okay, nucleophilicity of the reagent, that we will see tomorrow. Yes, Sakshi, Dia, Vishakha. So for that you will have to refer the videos. बेटा आप लोग ना बहुत ही lightly ले रहे हो आप लोग, seriously नहीं ले रहे हो आप लोग. Okay. The problem is that कि आप लोग बिल्कुल एकदम lightly ले रहे हो, as well as you don't know about the basic concepts of organic chemistry of the 11th standard. इसका प्रॉब्लम ये तो है कि ये तो पढ़ाया नहीं होगा 11th में, या तो फिर पढ़ा नहीं होगा आप लोगों ने, because these are the basic concepts के ऊपर ही पूरा डिपेंडेंट है. If you don't know basic nomenclature, okay, so it will be very difficult. So try to watch the videos, okay, understand करो, पुराने वाले concept नहीं समझ में आया पूछो. Yes, Vishakha. So with this I will conclude today's lecture.